Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A little short video here. I've always done this a different way, and today I kind of figured out a new way. If I want to make that shape, I'm going to have to go to Object and convert this to a curve. And then I would set my nudge factor on let's see how big this is. Let's set my nudge factor on 2 inches. And then I would get my shape tool. I would get that node and come in 2 inches. So I hit the up arrow key, now I'm hitting the down arrow key. Well, I kind of discovered a new way to do that the other day. Take the shape tool, it's already a curve. Select these 2 nodes right here and go to stretch or scale nodes. Now grab this right here, hold down the shift key, and you can do anything you want to. Now, if you don't hold down the shift key, it will only do the 1, which is pretty useful. But if you hold down the shift key, you can make that shape. Pretty easy. So right up here, let's just do it again. Select the 2 nodes you want to, and go right here to stretch or scale. Now you don't want to grab it here, you want to grab it here. And I'm holding down the shift key and making that shape. Anyway, hope that helped somewhat. Thank you for watching.